Then she became principal of Bharat Electronics Limited High School.
Okay.
BEL school इधर बोलते हैं. So then, as my father was transferred from Bangalore to Hyderabad because of the central government transfers and all the things,
Mm-hmm.
we went to Hyderabad. There, my mother started her own school.
Mm-hmm.
So I was just somewhere about 9 years or 11 years where I
Okay.
started my entrepreneur skills from my mother actually. She is my guru all time till today. I am 52 now actually, Sarji.
Great, great,
Uh,
great, 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 great,
so
great.
always my uh, uh, guru or whatever things are there are my father and mother for me for my entire life actually because whatever their blessings have been given to me, I'm here today, Sarji.
I will say it is just wonderful on your part to really having this kind of great sentiment
हाँ सर.
because these sentiments are really very important.
Sir, I don't tell this is a sentiment. This is our Indian tradition, sir.
Very
See, yeah. I'll tell you one thing. See, I don't know the new generation or old generation or whatever things are there. I'm not speaking about the old generation or new generation.
true.
Even the old generation are there were people who left their parents and had their own life and everything. See, there was a selfishness in the old generation and the new generation also. I don't discriminate these things. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Because they had their own constraints of living life
Mm-hmm.
and they had their own problems. Nothing to be spoken and about anyone's personal concepts. Okay, but one thing is in India, जैसे हम see the way we respect Go Mata,
Mm-hmm.
it's the same thing we have to respect our parents. That's it, sir.
Very good, very, very, very true. Wonderful. I will
And
say, I will say just
let me
wonderful.
just see. See. This is about my father and mother. And regarding me, I have done my MSc in organic chemistry. Then I did my masters in education.
Mm-hmm.
Because I had to support my parents in looking after the schools and colleges. Because अगर वो master of education नहीं है, I could not become the principal or the director of the institution. So that was a compulsion as per the Indian law, whatever things. Then I did my masters. Then I did my MBA. Then I did my PhD in. From Osmani University in 97, I completed, sir,
Great, great,
in
great,
antibiotics. Then
great, great.
in 96, my sister was got married to a chartered accountant in Dubai.
Mm-hmm.
So it just happened that I wanted to see my sister in 96. I just went there
Mm-hmm.
and I see ambience तो दुबई का अलग ही रहता है ना. Then I thought, why don't I settle down here only?
I got the opportunity to visit that Dubai and nearby area. I was there for almost 8 odd days, and it is just wonderful.
Oh, okay. I'm still having my business in Dubai and have my office also in Dubai, sir.
Oh, great, great,
See,
great.
I am into actually basically I am into two kind of business. One is trading and the other one is um, import and export business of fruits and vegetables.
Mm-hmm.
It's been almost 9 years and I have my office in Dubai, Singapore, Sri Lanka, These are the places where, as of now, I'm running the business.
Great, 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 great.
Uh, and being a son of a scientist, and that too, he was into ICR, as I told you, he was into agriculture department,
Mm-hmm.
and I had always see बचपन से मैं I was going with my father to his office, looking the fields and all these things. Then somehow I don't know, it became a passion to do something for the farmers. Then
Mm-hmm.
I just started a small organization called Krishi Foundation,
Oh, great.
and uh, through see, I just wanted to reveal one thing.
Mm-hmm.
Before starting Krishi Foundation, I got opportunity from Government of India
Mm-hmm.
to secure the farmers information technology, सबका data जो भी collect करना है.
Mm-hmm.
And that was my, and it was a very big project in those times. Actually, the budget was about 360 crores.
Mm-hmm.
So, it was my life turning point. Actually, I took up the things, and it took almost 2.5 years to 3 years. I was working on that project. It was called FIT. FIT is Farmers Information Technology.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So, this I have secured the entire India farmers database. खरीफ में क्या वो उगाते हैं, रबी में क्या उगाते हैं, and how much each farmer have the area of extent, and in what conditions they are getting all the things done. This was a kind of what do you say? Collecting all the information of each individual farmer.
Great.
उसका कितना लैंड है, वो क्या उगाया है, लास्ट ईयर क्या उगाया है, ये ईयर क्या उगाया है, and what is his interest and how much he is earning on an acre on the crop or whatever things are there. The entire database I have collected almost, I can say, we as a team, it was not individually, but I was leading the team. I'll tell you, it is always a teamwork where I trust. Then the entire team, we could collect not less than about 48 lakh some change, sir.
Mm-hmm.
Farmers database. This was a trial base what we could really get into the things. Almost 48 lakh farmers database. And when I submitted this database and everything, somehow the corruption or whatever, I don't know, there was a demand where I could not really cope up with the things of the individual, whatever things are there to get an approval or whatever things are there. I had a loss of almost about 18 to 19 crores in those days. Because I had a very good office, infrastructure, team and team building, and my team was always on move to meet each and every farmer, collect the database and everything. For almost 2.5 years, इतना बहुत करने के बाद भी I was down. And then that was the time where I left all the things and started Krishi Foundation on my own.
Okay.
Then I thought, why should I depend on Government of India? Let me teach something to Government of India. This was what my ambition was actually. When मेरे को थोड़ा तकलीफ हुआ था वो टाइम में. Then I started Krishi Foundation, and then we had a very good interaction with the most of the scientists
Mhm.
and good people who have really supported me.
Mhm.
And you might be knowing the Green Revolution who bought.
Uh, Dr. Swaminathan?
Yes, yes, yes. He is my Guruji.
Okay. And I am highly critical of his work.
Yes, yes.
I don't know whether you have
He,
heard me or not. I am
uh,
highly critical of his.
yes, yes. Mr. Swaminathan
Yeah.
was the person who had really supported me in getting this project actually, sir.
Okay.
Uh, what I can say. And as my father is also a principal scientist, and he was also from the same agriculture background, as you know, he started his career or whatever things are there. I know his family and everything. When he expired in last September only, he went to heaven. I mean to say. Uh, I hope you know he expired last September only. This
Mhm.
year September, about 2 months back.
Mhm. Mhm. Mhm.
Mhm. Mm. So we, as a family, I and my father, we had shared our condolences with him also, with his family or whatever things are there. What was, Sergey, I'll tell you one thing.
Mhm.
See, uh, Shilpa was telling that you are from Madhya Pradesh. Okay. You might be having very good idea about Chhattisgarh, Odisha,
Yeah, I
and
have
the
worked in Chhattisgarh. Orissa, I have traveled, but I do not have much of the. But I have traveled there many times.
yeah, you see, I'll tell you one common point is
Mhm.
Chhattisgarh, Odisha, and the northeastern part of Andhra Pradesh are
Mhm.
all tribal areas. Am
Mhm.
I right?
Mhm. Mhm.
Huh? So here the things are because I have been in the field
Mhm.
personally. So क्या होता है इधर uh, in a year in 12 months they only farm for 4 to 5 months.
Mhm. Mhm.
Okay, all the tribal people because of the hilly area or whatever things are there or resources नहीं है उनके पास or whatever things are there.
Mhm. Mhm.
Then, as I told, when I started this Krishi Foundation, I went to those areas
Mhm.
and I got to know Mr. Sudarshan Naik, who is the he is the General Secretary of Girijana Cooperative Society.
Okay.
Girijana is called tribal in Telugu.
Mhm. Mhm.
Girijan, as you understand.
Yeah,
Okay.
basically person from hill area. Giri means
Yes, yes, yes. Yes,
Giri
yes,
means hill or Jan means people from hill. Basically, we can say.
yes, yes, sir. Girijana. Yes, yes, you are absolutely right, sir.
Mhm.
So,
Mhm.
I got in contact with these people and I went into the tribal areas and all these areas where they are only farming in a year for 4 to 5 months and the rest of the year
Mhm.
they're not doing anything and no government is helping them.
Mhm.
Then from my pocket, I'll tell you.
Mhm.
And so that's a different issue. When I was in a good this time, I started some educational programs teaching the uh, one minute. Teaching the tribal rights and everything.
Mhm.
Okay.
Mhm.
Huh. So, 1 minute, sorry, 1 minute. I'm just coming out. 1 minute. Sorry, sir.
No issue, no issue.
I don't think I'm taking your time.
Absolutely no issue.
Okay. So when I met these guys, they had about their own products, Girijan products, where they were selling the things. Okay, byproducts of some forest area products or whatever things are there.
Mm-hmm.
Then what I did is when I met them, I could procure about 10,000 acres from all these farmers uh, and buyback policy, what I have initiated
Mm-hmm.
in those days. Okay, with the help of National Council of Skill Development.
Mm-hmm.
So, what these people, National Council of Seed Development, what they did is they used to give free of seeds and everything. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Then I had a CSR fund from one of the guys, made some tractors and everything, and ये seed आया, everything, machinery मैं लेके आया. Then they started getting into the thing. But still there was a problem where the cows were left in the forest for almost I can say, 7 months cows they were just leading. Then I told these cooperative society people, we will start a Goshala and let us get into some byproducts of Goshala, and at the same time NIRD, National Research Institute of Rural Development.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
NIRD, what they did is, they had some funding programs. Then we started the decomposed vermiculture and all these things in the forest area.
Mm-hmm.
And the greatest advantage in those Virgin Islands is they're all very fertile islands.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So the decomposition or the vermiculture or whatever things are there, it will happen very easily due to the climatic conditions.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Hmm. So slowly I made these people to get into touch with all the buyers or whatever things are.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
And then after a few years, I got into touch with Nekoff. Uh, these are the people who are buyers. Okay, it's a very big organization. They have their own funding from government of India also.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
They have their office in India.
Okay.
They have office in Dubai also.
Okay.
Mr. Cha and Mr. Anil, all these people, I know them personally as a brother. They say, Bhaiya, Bhaiya, Bhaiya.
Great.
So
Great.
with these people, क्योंकि इनके पास ready buyers है, ready database है, we do not go and search for people, money is guaranteed, and my people are guaranteed. So what I did is, I made a collaboration with these people and made this products to be sold in local market and overseas market.
Mm-hmm.
Whatever things were there, it is very crystal clear and everything is documented and audited also.
Okay.
So there is one. Sir, I just wanted to